Hello friends, this is round 10 of star, hearts and pineapples tablecloth. And on this round, what we are doing is just continuing to increase the fan. I call this as the fan, and we are just increasing the width of the fan by making a V stitch on the opposite stitches of the fan. So with that in mind, let us begin. So chain 4 with 3 of the chains to count as 1 triple crochet, and the last chain is the chain 1 between the 2 triple crochet stitches. So I am making a V, the initial V on this side of the fan. So 1, 2, 3, 4 triple crochet on the same stitch, chain 1, and we're gonna chain 1 triple crochet 7 times. So that's 1, chain 1 triple crochet, 2, chain 1 triple crochet, 3, chain 1 triple crochet, 4, chain 1 triple crochet, 5, chain 1 triple crochet, 6, chain 1 triple crochet, 7. Then we chain 1, then make a V on the other side of the fan. So we triple crochet, chain 1 and triple crochet on the same triple crochet stitch. So that completes the fan. Then we make a chain 3, chain 3, so 1, 2, 3 single crochet, single crochet on the 4th chain of the next chain 7 loop. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Then chain 3 again, 2, 3, and then we repeat what we just did here, which is triple crochet to start the V on the next fan, chain 1, triple crochet on the same stitch, so the V is made, chain 1 triple crochet, and we are going to do this 7 times like we did here. So that's 1, chain 1, triple crochet. This is the second, chain 1, triple crochet, this is the third, chain 1, triple crochet, this is the fourth, chain 1, triple crochet, this is the fifth, chain 1, triple crochet, this is the sixth, chain 1, triple crochet, seventh, then chain 1, then make the V stitch on the last triple crochet, and then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, single crochet on the fourth chain of the next chain 7, 1, 2, 3, 4. So then chain 3, 1, 2, 3. This is where the end of the repeating stitches. So we're going to mark the stitch that we're going to repeat. So from here, it begins at the fan and ends at the chain 3 before the next fan. So you're going to repeat these stitches, this set of stitches here, and then on the next, right here, and then on the next, all the way around, and we're going to end up on this triple crochet on the beginning triple crochet. So at the end of round 10, after making the last chain 3 of the round, then slip stitch on the third chain of the beginning chain 4, 1, 2, 3. So that's the ending of round 10. And it's important to note that in round 10, the fan increases to a total of 11 triple crochet on each fan.